Good morning. It is 4:35 in the morning and we are heading to the airport. And I'm tired.
How wonderful. Yeah, yeah, yeah. How wonderful would it be? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Getting ready to take off on our first flight going to New York. So now, after going through the longest line of security ever, we're finally going to
For
our
security
gate.
reasons, please
We're getting ready to board our plane to head to Kenya right now. So we're going. Everybody in this line is going with us. Hi, Niecy. Hi. We just got on the plane and it looks pretty nice.
You can play now until we're ready to fly, okay? Alright? So now play with your Cinderella, okay? You need your attention.
Okay, after 14 hours, we're finally going to get on our last plane. We're in Kenya now, and we are headed to Kilimanjaro. So see you soon. Hi, honey. Stay on that side.
Hey, what have you dropped your hat? I think they dropped their hat.
See this long line of people? There are 28 of us. We just came off of this plane and we made it. We are in Kilimanjaro. Hi, honey.
I don't know why they're getting off in the parking lot and stuff.
Yeah,
Do you agree?
just makes it feel more like vacation.
Makes it no more high class.
Hi, y'all.
didn't get a chance. I grabbed this drink and my bag was gone.
We just made it to our hotel. It's called the Zawadi House.
Yep.
Yes. So,
Mango drink.
yep, we were welcome with the mango drink. Let me see it.
It's really good.
Okay. Yep. Thank you. Good morning. It's 6 o'clock local time, and we just woke up. Still a little bit tired, but couldn't really wait to head down to breakfast and then load up the trucks to go on safari. So I didn't really get time to kind of say goodnight, I guess. I just came right to the bed and laid down. But last night was really good. We kind of had dinner family style and kind of said thank you to our ancestors and just really taking in that moment that we are in Africa. We are really thinking about what that means to us. So, yeah, that's it for now.